It's a little frustrating because I got all my tools here and it's water free. So basically, I don't have the tool. I'm gonna buy it. There's a little T-bar that you unscrew this. There's a cartridge in there. You pull the cartridge out, put the new one in. But they didn't let me know ahead of time. It's not a standard urinal, so I guess I should have known in a newer building like this. They always put the water-free piss buckets. All right, let me get rid of this. We're gonna go to Fergie's or Hirsch. I doubt Hirsch will have it, but we'll find out. I'll be back. So this is from Ferguson. Hirsch didn't have the full kit, I guess. This is about 60 something bucks. Let's see. Yeah, it was like low 60s, like 62 bucks. But this is the cartridge right here. And I have a bag for the old cartridge. This is the sealant stuff. And then this is the tool I was talking about. And this one actually came with the tool. You just stick that sucker in like that. That's how you tighten it and loosen it. It even came with little cute little cafeteria lady gloves. All right, we got the tool, got the bag. Note to self, next time I come here and it's empty like this, first thing in the morning, and I have to leave and come back, put a note that says, do not use. That's what you saw on camera, or what I didn't show on camera, is that I sopped up all the piss before doing this. You can, oh, got somebody came here. I thought someone was in here. There you go. Look at all the calcium. Nasty, dude. That is freaking nasty. Now that smells. Whew. That is horrible. And you see that little tailpiece right there, that little opening? We gotta clean that sucker out. Nice and good, like with, it says to use a nylon brush. There's something about urinals that are just extra nasty. I don't know what it is, but dealing with pee, and specifically urinals, is just one of the nastiest jobs, way more so than poop. Okay, now brush. Okay, I almost got that brush stuck. Started to panic for a second, but okay, now You fill up 5-gallon bucket, soapy water, and you flush it out. So this is a good test to make sure that there's no obstruction in the little thing there. And I poured some of it in there, and it's fine. Let's drain them. Yeah. You can hear it down there, but it's draining. All right, there you go. So this thing, whoa, this faces that little inlet there. You see the little notches? So that goes on like that. Boom, right like that. That one went on easy. It's kind of hard to get off because of all the calcium. Okay. It's about 1 liter, right? Then you slowly fill it. You're listening for those air bubbles. You can hear it says 1 liter or more in the directions. Sealant smells good. That's it, man. Looks like they used to have a regular flushometer urinal. All right, catch you later.